Introduction. College of KP Astrology, Padmaranagar, Secunderabad. Astrology Introduction. Astrology is a Vedic science. It is called Mother of Sciences, Mother of all sciences. Sages, scholars have made enormous research and found clues from old granthas, and with their hard work and dedicated attitude and their intuition. All the important events in the human life are dealt only with astrology, and the study of astrological science is quite essential in these days. Astro means light. Sun, moon, stars, planets are all recognized as a source of light and of enjoyment. The effect of the rays of such bodies on various living beings, regular seasonal climatic conditions, relation of all these to the human life are all causes for the innovation of this science. Is called astrology or astroscience. Initially, the observation of stars in the open sky and identifying them, their structure, were only treated as astrology. The word Nakshatra in Yajurveda was used as a synonym in the world of astrology. The word Nakshatra Vidya is used in Chandogya refers to astrology. Vedas ordered for yajnas, which is only denoted by the astrology or Jyothish, and only astrology can define the time of performing such yajnas. Therefore, only astrology has become a part of Vedangas. Jyotisham Suryadi Grahanam Badakam Shastram, which means that astrology educates on sun and other planets. Astrology deals with planetary movements, and these details are dealt in Siddhanta Bhashya. The total activity of the human beings is fully depending on the sunrise, sunset, moon, moonrise and full moon, waning moon, and the stars, etc. The prediction of the future events was referred as astrology. The elements like palmistry, Ferrari, omens, numerology, etc., which are used to predict the future events, are all treated as parts of the astrology. Broadly, astrology is divided into two parts. Siddhabhaga consists of Siddhanta, Tantra, Karana, dealing with planetary movements, and predictive astrology, Palabhaga, consists of Hora, Murta, that is electional, Tajic, Krishna, that is horary, Medini, that means mundane, Samhita, which affects planets on living beings. According to Narada Samhita, astrology is a combination of skandhas, namely Siddhanta, Hora, Samhita, Krishna, Shikuna. All these are put together forms as astrology. Writing of Panchanga, that is ephemeris, is related to Siddhanta Bhaga, in which Surya Siddhanta, Aryabhatiyam, Siddhanta Shiromani, etc. all comes under Siddhanta Bhaga. Parashara, Jaimini, Yavana methods primarily come in the Palita Bhaga only. Varamira, Siddhasena, Sripati, Sridhara, Keshava, Meenaraja, etc. are written numerous books for Phalita Bhaga. The Jyothish Shastra or astrology is the primitive of all the sciences. Since time immemorial, the saints visualized and recognized the effects of the planetary bodies on human beings through their yoga drishti and included them in the parts of Vedas. Astrology took a prominent place in the study of Vedas and in an important position in the life of living beings from primitive to this modern age. Shiksha, Vyakarana, Chandas, Niruktam, Jyotisham and Kalpa are the 6 limbs of Veda Purusha. They are otherwise called as phonetics, grammar, metry, etymology, astrology, rituals. Vedas are the sources of knowledge. Eminent saints pronounced them and acharyas reproduced to their students. Therefore, all these are called apuruseyas. This knowledge came into existence through hearing. Therefore, they are called shrutis. These shadangas are essential for a deep discussion of this knowledge. These Vedangas and Upangas are the basics for understanding Vedarthas. The science dealing with sidereal horoscope in the astrology, the constellation, planets, sign, the effects of their rays on the nature, time determination, are all dealt in astrology only. To understand this unlimited Jyotir Golas referred in Vedas, the astrology became a Vedanga by itself. Vedas cannot be understood without the knowledge of Jyotish Shastra. Astrology is dealing with day-to-day life of human beings along with heavenly bodies, light, time, and direction. As such, this science initially started as a special science among Vedangas and took its prominence in day-to-day activities and well-being of human beings. Therefore, astrology was treated as eye of Veda Purusha, Sarvendriyanam Nainam Pradhanam. Like an eye, without astrology, no one can understand Vedas, that is knowledge. Initially, the ancient literature dealt with Vedanga Jyotisha. Out of this, Rig Jyotisha, Tajic Jyotisha, Adharvan Jyotisha took prominence. We also find the astrological aspects in the remaining Vedangas, Nirukta, Kalpa, Vyakarana, and also Smriti, Mahabharata, etc. Veda means the knowledge. For acquiring the knowledge of Vedas, the prominent of its 6 organs is astrology. No one can perform their Vedic duties without the knowledge of astrology. Hari Om.